When it comes to accounting software, one of the most important factors is user experience. So, today we're diving into a comparison of Sage 50 Cloud and Patriot Accounting to answer the question, which one has the better user experience? I'll break down both software platforms, pointing out the strengths and weaknesses, and by the end, I'll tell you which one truly delivers the best user experience. But stick around until the end because you might be surprised by the alternative I recommend. Let's start with Sage 50 Cloud. Sage is known for being a robust solution with powerful accounting tools. The user interface, though packed with features, can feel a bit overwhelming for beginners. While Sage 50 Cloud does offer a desktop-based experience, its cloud integration allows you to access your data from anywhere, which is a major plus. But here's the issue: its interface feels a bit outdated compared to some newer, more streamlined accounting platforms. You may find yourself getting lost in menus, and even though it's feature-rich, the learning curve can be steep. Next thing, let's talk about customization. Sage 50 Cloud offers a good amount of customization, but the options can be a bit hidden. You have to dig through settings and preferences to get your reports, invoices, or dashboards looking just how you want them. While that gives you control, it also requires a bit of patience. If you're someone who values a more intuitive setup, this might not be ideal. The fourth thing worth mentioning is customer support. Sage 50 Cloud does have support options like live chat and phone support, but it's not always the quickest. Given the complexity of the software, having responsive support is critical, but sometimes it feels like you're waiting for a while to get the answers you need. On the flip side, we have Patriot Accounting. Patriot prides itself on offering a much more simplified user interface. From the moment you log in, it's clear that Patriot is built with ease of use in mind. The interface is clean, intuitive, and easy to navigate. Whether you're managing payroll, tracking expenses, or generating reports, you won't need a degree in accounting to get things done. If you're looking for something that's quick to pick up and doesn't require a ton of time to get used to, Patriot's user experience will be a breath of fresh air. But that doesn't mean Patriot is perfect. As easy as it is to use, the software is more basic compared to Sage 50 Cloud. The trade-off for simplicity is that it lacks some of the advanced features and customization options Sage offers. If you need deeper functionality or industry-specific features, you may find Patriot a little too limiting. Next, let's discuss the mobile experience. Sage 50 Cloud has a mobile app that lets you track your business finances on the go, but it's not as polished as some would like. The app doesn't fully replicate the desktop version, which can make it frustrating to manage your finances on the move. Patriot, on the other hand, doesn't have a dedicated mobile app, but the mobile-optimized web version works well enough for basic tasks. So, if mobile usage is a top priority for you, neither software is perfect, but Patriot's simplicity may make up for the lack of a dedicated app. The final thing to note is cost. Sage 50 Cloud is more expensive, especially when you factor in the cloud features and add-ons. If you're a small business on a budget, this could be a major downside. Patriot Accounting is much more affordable and provides most of the essential accounting features for a fraction of the price. However, as I mentioned earlier, you're sacrificing some advanced functionality for that lower cost. So, which one has the better user experience? Well, it depends on your needs. If you need a feature-rich solution with a robust set of tools and are willing to navigate a slightly more complex interface, Sage 50 Cloud is a solid choice. But if you value simplicity, ease of use, and want something that doesn't require a ton of time to master, Patriot Accounting will likely be a better fit. But here's the thing, after trying both, I think there's a better alternative. Both Sage 50 Cloud and Patriot Accounting are good, but if you're looking for an option that balances ease of use with powerful features, I recommend you check out the free trial linked in the description. This alternative offers a better user experience overall, and you can get started risk-free. Plus, when you use the link in the description, you'll get exclusive benefits that aren't available anywhere else. So, give it a try and see for yourself. And remember, if you're looking for a more streamlined, powerful solution for your accounting needs, don't miss out on this offer.